Hello.
Hi Ananya, good
Hi.
morning.
Good morning, Sudhir. How are you? How are you doing?
I'm good. Thank you for asking. What about you?
I am great too. So, hello. Can you hear me?
Yes, yes, of course I can hear you.
Okay. Perfect. Right. So, did you go through the document for today?
Yes, it looks like a public event.
Yeah. Yeah. So, it is public shows and events, right?
Yes,
Okay. So, most of us have seen or experienced a large public gathering or large public events, right? So, it can be weddings, engagements, roka ceremonies, and mundan ceremonies. Especially us Indians, we have a lot of public events and ceremonies, right? And they're always very interesting to be at. So, uh, this session is about talking of those events, right? So, we will begin by sharing experiences, right? So, you will tell me how your experience of uh, such public events has been, right? What was it like?
it was good
Good. Like which
because
event? Of course, it was good, but yeah, which event are we talking about? You have to describe and tell me everything.
last event I attend my one of my friends, one of my friend, his a marriage ceremony
Okay, your friend's marriage ceremony. Okay, perfect. What was it like? What did you do? And
because
how was
we
it?
met. Yes, we met of my old friends all together, and we
Hmm,
enjoy.
hmm. Yeah. What else? You have to uh, talk about the details also.
For
You have to
details,
post it, right? Where did the
excitement
wedding
and
take place? What all did you eat? What all did you do together? Come on, a friend's wedding has to be a lot of fun. So you have to tell me what all you did.
yes, of course, we did lots of the food also, and also we means in dance also, and means ring ceremony and lots of the event
Mhm.
as we
Okay,
witness it.
right, perfect. So, would you like to attend such events again? What did you like or dislike about that event? There has to be both, right? There is something there has to be something that you loved about the event, and there has to be something that you did not like a lot about the event. What was it?
I loved about lots of the thing like food also and the
Mm-hmm.
management also.
Yes.
And if you want to ask me for about the dislike it's not means, but one dislike point it is total summer. So
Yeah.
that's why if they switch or they plan too early in the winter, so it will very good.
Mm-hmm. Okay, perfect. So, do you like to watch award shows or something like that?
Watch so
Watch award shows like those IFA awards where these actors and actresses get nominated and then they get awards for the best actor and best actress.
no. Yes, yes, I agree. But for the IFA or for this Bollywood, I means I never seen. But for the show, I definitely I uh, go through the show like equity market or stock market related.
Okay, okay, right. So do you think that
Which
these awards are rigged? Why do you not watch these awards?
which one awards?
These IFA awards and TV serial awards, daily
Because
soap
I'm
awards.
not I'm not aware or maybe I'm not interested. So that's why I'm not preferring. Rather
Mm-hmm.
than I'm invest my time in the this sci-fi award. I will go. I am willing to prefer my time in the particular listen to another speaker.
Okay, right. So, have you ever been to a concert or a public event or a musical or some fest or something like that?
I attend a few webinars also.
Webinars. Right, webinars are public events, but they are online, right? So we are talking about offline events like a fest or something like that, or a concert.
No.
No? Okay. Would you like to go to one?
For music and for this, I am just prefer in my mobile or my laptop only.
Mm-hmm.
So I can't go to and attend the.
Right. Okay, 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 okay. So what what makes you say that you can, for music and all, you're better off using your mobile, right, to watch these shows and listen to music? Why do you think that you do not want to go to a concert?
Because we have to spend our hard traveling to
Hmm.
one place to another place.
What else? Is it just traveling or is it something else also?
It is just traveling, and the
Yeah.
second point is money involvement
Yes.
also.
Yeah. So,
This
do you know
this
which singer is performing in India in October? Which singer is coming to Delhi? Very famous
uh,
singer.
no, I am not aware.
Yeah. So Justin Bieber is coming, and people are going crazy for his show tickets. And the least uh, preferable and the uh, show and the seat for the last, the last seats and the worst seats are for 4,000 rupees, one single seat, right? And the best seats are for 37,000 rupees. Can you imagine?
Too high.
Right? Can you imagine spending this amount?
Yes, of course.
Would you spend 37,000 to watch Justin Bieber perform?
No, I will
No?
not. No, 37,000 is very high. If you want
Hmm.
to ask me for 1,000 rupees, I will not.
1,000. Okay, but the tickets start for
But I
4,000.
no no for 1,000 also I am not going to invest. I am not going to buy the ticket because for this is not my cup of tea.
It is not.
So so I
You
will
do
no
not.
go. But if in the particular the event
Hmm.
the which one is I just the equity.
Justin,
No, not Justin Bieber.
then?
Just I forget. I will tell you later.
Okay, okay, right, right. So what do you have to say about these ticket prices? Why do you think they're so costly?
It is totally demand and supply rule because we have limited seat.
Hmm.
Just approximately, I will give an example. We have only 100 seats available in the stadium, and people outside the stadium, 1,000 or 10,000 people.
Hmm.
So if that's why the reason the ticket price is high. Demand is very high, but supply is low.
Hmm.
If demand is low, so definitely the ticket price will goes down.
Hmm. So why do you think that people pay to attend such expensive shows?
Because they have the good money to invest and the feeling to love or they enjoying or they means they want to see the live to the particular artist. So that's why if the ticket price if 50,000 na, so I think so if anyone ticket is left because in
Hmm.
our country the majority of people they love or they means willing to spend.
Mm-hmm. Right, right. So all my friends, at least, they are going crazy for this show. People really want to attend, and they are willing to spend 8,000 on the tickets, right?
So you
So
are
do you,
going to spend. You are also
no,
book the ticket.
I do not even like Justin Bieber.
Why
Yeah.
you
Why?
don't like? Okay,
I'm not very fond of listening to music, first of all, and plus I'm not very
okay,
fond of that person,
okay,
Justin Bieber, right? Plus, even if it was my favorite singer, I would not go. I do not like huge crowds. I hate crowds. It makes me suffocated.
okay,
So yeah, I'm better off at home. I'll watch the recording later, maybe, but I won't attend the
okay.
concert. Yeah. So what do you have to say about such large crowds and all? Not only at concerts, but even at uh, the Shara Melas and Kumbh Melas and any large gathering of crowds. What do you have to say about that?
It's totally depends on how the people they are taking means tackle, because the area of their interesting, because sometimes if you can check in the, like you told about the Kumbh Mela. The Kumbh Mela is about the totally religion. They have the particular means love in the particular in their heart. So they
Hmm.
believe something. So that's why they means in the at the any cost they attend their attendance in the particular time.
Hmm.
So that's why the reason for the or if you can check if in your city Salman Khan or any favorite actor Amitabh Bachchan will come, and in your society, so definitely in your society all the majority 80 or 90% people they willing to meet him.
Hmm. 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 Right. Exactly.
Of because unexpected things, we just amazing, we are not amazing to the person will come and we meet in the future. So the
Hmm.
excitement will definitely chase
Hmm.
the moment.
Yes, exactly. And what about cricket and football matches? Would you buy a ticket to a cricket or a football match, a live cricket or a football match?
No, till that I'm not at all.
Mm-hmm. You're not fond of watching cricket or football?
No, I'm only following only for the Indian equity market and the foreign market only, financial markets.